Hello everyone. Today in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we can turn off the tap to share or tap to airdrop option on your iPhone. So what this typically does is when you bring two iPhones closer, it will just share your name card or share videos or photos or anything. So I'm going to show you how we can turn that off. So sometimes that can be very disgusting. So I will show you how you can turn that off. Okay, so for that you have to go into your settings application, and now scroll down and find the general option. For me it's here, so if you can't find it, you can find it on this page, anywhere over this page. So you can click on general, and once you're in here you can see the option airdrop. I'll click on it, and now we can see the option start sharing by bringing devices together. So I'll turn that off. And now if I go back, and now if I just bring two iPhones closer, it's not going to like show that animation or anything. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.